I'm Kerry McKenzie. I'm Chief Client Officer here at Business Solver. And what that means for me is I'm the executive that's charged with understanding what our clients are trying to do, what their desired outcomes are, and making sure that we consistently bring forward the right teams, the right solutions to meet those goals. So anticipation, it sounds new, but it isn't really new for us. Anticipation for me means understanding desired outcomes. If I understand desired outcomes, then it allows me to think through not just what's being asked for, not responding to just a request, but anticipating what that partner needs in terms of what tied to the outcomes and being able to deliver that. The always experience for me translates to trust. We believe that we're in the business of offering our customers and our partners peace of mind, that we will always anticipate and think about what they need and what it will take to get them to achieving their goals and objectives. And that's how I focus our activities around anticipation and understanding that it goes beyond just responding to requests, but understanding and anticipating what's needed. For me is proactive, right? So it's all, again, going back to understanding the outcomes, anticipating what's needed, and proactively getting in front of that. And that's the role I think we play in the ecosystem of just understanding what's going to be required to achieve success and making sure that we proactively deliver those things. So, we weren't always perfect, and we recognize and acknowledge that. But Business Solver has always been about learning. It's always been a continuous improvement organization. So with respect to the always experience and how it helped us overcome some of the challenges that we had, it started with first listening to our customers. So we spent a lot of time getting feedback, sharing with our customers what's important to them and what would it take for them to feel like they have that peace of mind and trust in our ability to always deliver. And then we built on that, and we take the details, we built a plan on that. For example, one of the things that we did at one point in our journey, we had a shared services model, which allowed us to probably scale more cost effectively. But we learned that wasn't hitting the mark for our customers. So what we pivot, like we always do at Business Solver. We pivoted to what we call a client-centric model, which is really just going back to the always experience around taking what we hear from our clients, building tailored services and experiences within a team that knows that client intimately, and delivering to them what they would expect.